guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another street style store haul video for you guys, and this time it's not just about shoes, it's about some jewelry also. In case you guys don't know, the street style store has recently started to sell out the jewelries as well, so I wanted to try my hands on and see how they look, because street style store is famous for their affordable prices, and why not try their trending jewelry as well. So I ordered couple of jewelry pieces and some of the shoes, and if you guys remember my last haul video, I'm gonna place it on my screen somewhere here. You guys must have seen I did a haul and review video about the street style store. I wanted to talk about the myths and some facts about the street style store, and that was not a sponsored video. Even this one is not the sponsored video. So yeah, and that's why I mentioned in that particular video that I want to try the heels as well, but since I'm not a heel person, I really don't want to invest, you know, a lot of amount in the heels, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear them or not. So I thought that I should, you know, probably just start with the street style store and see if I can really work out with heels or not. Today's video is about what I bought from street style store, how much time did it take, how much price each shoe cost me for, and about their jewelry as well. So are you excited? Let's just get into the haul. We'll start with the first piece, which I absolutely love, and so many of you actually loved it when I posted these shoes on my Instagram page. So these are the mules. So these are the mules that I bought from street style stores, and they are like really amazing. I'm not kidding. They have this kind of leather material over there, and it's like beautiful. They're like blush pink, super comfortable. Again, I'm in 41 size. Whatever shoes I'm going to show you today are all in size 41. I am UK 7, but street style store 41 size suits me the best, so that's why I just ordered 41 for myself. So these are the mules that I got for, and they are for 999 as mentioned here, but they were like definitely not 999. I think they were for like 400 or something. I'm gonna I'll just leave the links of all these shoes in the description box below, in case you are also interested in buying the same shoes you can try for, if they are available only. So these are the first pair of mules, and they look absolutely fabulous. You can wear them with so many different outfits, with jeans, with trousers, with joggers, with casuals, dresses, and whatnot. I love street style store mules. They are like really inexpensive and very trending, the kind of mules that you get to see only in Gucci, Zara, and you pay like hefty amount on that. I think they're like really good. So many of you asked me like from where I bought it, and you were like, they're like so pretty. I got so many DMs asking you guys, you know, how much did it cost you for, are they comfortable, what material is this, and everything. They're like super comfortable. I just slip my feet inside these ones and I just forget about if they are like uncomfortable something. They are not uncomfortable at all. I absolutely love these mules. There's one thing which I really want to tell the street style store people, in case you guys are watching my video, please stop mentioning the price on this part of the shoe. I mean, it looks really tacky because if I want to remove my shoe, it just look really pathetic, honestly, that this shoe costs for this much amount of rupees. I mean, you really don't have to, because you're publishing everything on your website. It looks really bad. So if there's any way you can just remove these, you know, the price tag from the shoe, the engraved price tag, please do so. It does not look nice at all. Now moving on to the next pair of shoes are these ones. They are like heels to start. They're like some sort of kitten heels or something, and these are the shoes which I got. They're like sandals, and this material is sort of velvety. It's not suede, it's kind of velvety. I love the color. This is like very nice trending colors in the winter time, but they look absolutely fabulous with your western as well as with your you know, traditional outfits as well. The only thing which I don't really like about these shoes are like the heels. the color does not match, okay, and this is where it looks really cheap to me. I mean, I wish they could have done something different with the heels. Sorry for the noise because my baby's playing here, so just bear with me. So this is where what I generally didn't like much about these shoes are like these heels, not something up to my expectation. And the worst part is this is not how it looks on their website, so this is something where I feel cheated. But for the price what you pay for, you really cannot complain much. Moving on to the last pair of the heels which I got from, all the heels are like chunky heels because I don't think I can wear, you know, the pencil heels at all, not at all. So that's why I'm just starting wearing heels, and I'm starting with the block heels. So I think that's the right way to start wearing the heels. So let me know if you guys are also a lover, I mean, you are also someone who does not like to wear heels or not feel comfortable in wearing heels. What's your take on wearing heels? Let me know. I just kind of feel very uncomfortable when I wear heels. My feet start hurting really quickly, and I just cannot. Okay, so moving on to the last pair of the shoes which I got from, and again the chunky heels, and these are in the classic black color. I thought the black color is something that's gonna go really well with my high-waisted jeans, or maybe, you know, with my trousers, the office formal trousers, or probably the plazos which I wear. Definitely I'm not gonna wear these ones with my dresses because I think they look very tacky with the dresses. I prefer to wear flats or something like that, not these kind of heels for sure, but I think with jeans and all they look really stylish. So these are the pair of the heels which I got. The only problem that I have with these heels is like, first thing is this one, I just wore it, you know, at home just to see like how they look on my feet, and I felt like this is like stabbing in my legs. So I really have to figure out whether I can really wear these heels for a longer time or not, because if this stuff is not comfortable, I just start, you know, my legs, they just get hurt like anything. They just create a wound on my legs, so that's what I don't like it. And second thing, which is something like a rocket science to me, are these kind of buckles. I don't know how to wear them. These are the most uncomfortable things to me in this entire whole world. I just cannot get the idea of how to wear these ones. For some people, they say it's like really comfortable. You just put it like this, no need to, you know, worry about where to put your this pen here or there. Or I don't know if I'm making sense or not, but to me, this style is something that I can never get an idea how to wear it. So something really uncomfortable to me. But otherwise, I like these heels. They're again comfortable. I like the idea of the sole, that it's in a same level. So it's sort of wedges in a heel form or something like that. So that's when I think the classic black never goes out of the style, and you can wear it with so many outfits. So these are the last pair of the shoes. Everything which I showed you today with the shoes were in, you know, under 500 rupees. So I think to start with a different style of the shoes, spending 500 on a shoe is not a big deal then probably. And if you don't wear if you don't end up wearing these shoes, it's not gonna hurt you more as well. So that is just my idea. Okay, so that was all about the shoes that I got, and I want to tell you that I'm really impressed with the jewelry. Reason number one, it came in this packaging. You don't have to be worried about where to store it, and you know, amazing, something which I really didn't expect from Street Style Store, considering they are a very affordable product range. They have a very affordable product range, and really don't, you know, spend much on the packaging and every that sort. I was really impressed when I saw that all of my jewelry came in this cardboard box, something I can just keep it as it is. Amazing, kudos for that one. I really like the concept. You have everything intact, like you have this foam sheet, and this is where the jewelry comes. So I ordered 3 pieces. I ordered a couple of more, but I recently realized one of my order has been cancelled because it's not in stock anymore and all that stuff. But let's just begin what all I got. So first thing first, I got these tassel earrings. They are in a teal color. I think they are like really stylish, and you have a teal stud over there. So you can just wear it with so many things, and tassels are everywhere. You get to see these kind of earrings in Zara, H&M, Forever 21, everywhere. I think these were for like 300 or 399. I'm gonna let you know the prices, everything in the description box below. So sorry for that, I can't tell you right now because I just cannot remember. It took me like forever to receive my package. That is the only drawback with Street Style Store, that they take ages to deliver your product. Moving on to the next pair of the earrings, which are absolutely gorgeous, and you have to see. These are the geometric, or whatever you like to call them. They are so trending right now, and they are so chic. They're like really beautiful, and they have this kind of gold detailing on top also, and then the two loops, hoops, or whatever, and they just look so stylish. They are like really trending these days. You can probably just wear one single earring in your ear and flip your hair to the other side, and you're gonna look rock, you know, and you're gonna look really pretty. That's a new way of wearing the style, you know, the earrings these days. So this is the second pair of earring which I got, and I think they are like really chic. I love the detailing. It does not feel like, you know, that they are not made well properly or anything of that sort. They're like really good. Again, the kind of style that you get to see in Forever 21 a lot. And those kind of earrings cost you for like 600, 700, like that, if I'm not wrong. And these are like under 300, I believe. And I think they're like really good. They're like really stylish. So these are the second pair of the earrings which I got. And moving on to the last pair of the jewelry which I got is this dainty piece, and let me show you how it looks. So this is the dainty piece, the necklace which I got. It has this black circle sort of thing going on, then two small tassels, and this chain. Something absolutely gorgeous that you want to wear on a t-shirt on a daily basis, or on a dress, on a jumpsuit, or anything. If you are still in a winter season, you can wear these pieces on your pullover, your high neck pullovers, or anything. They look absolutely stylish and take your outfit to a next level. So this is what I got. I think the pieces are like really beautiful. They're jewelry pieces, and I think I really want to recommend these pieces to everybody whosoever has not tried the Street Style Store jewelry. I think you should definitely give it a shot. They're like really affordable and very trending, very stylish, and they have some amazing pieces. I mean, these are just the starting that I got from, and I think I'm gonna order more because they are like very inexpensive and something very trending, and I see myself wearing these pieces a lot of time. So I think I'm done. Yeah. So that is all for the day, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed my Street Style Store haul part 2. Part 1, in case you guys have not seen, I'll have it on my screen and in the description box below. Make sure that you check that out to see what all other shoes that I got in my last haul. That was just about the shoes. I've not tried their clothing yet, and I don't see myself buying their clothing pieces also because size has been an issue. I don't think that, I don't think so. Forget it. Okay, I'll probably just stick with the shoes and the jewelry, and also they have started selling the accessories where you get sunglasses, you get some bags, and you get some nice belts also. So everything about the website and everything will be there in the description box below. Make sure that you check that out. These are the things which I got from Street Style Store. Let me know which is the one of the piece which you absolutely love from the shoes, from the jewelry. What do you think about it? What's your review on Street Style Store? What has been your experience? Everything, let me know in the comment section. I love reading all of your comments, and thank you so much for watching this video, guys. My throat is gone. I'm just gonna shut off now, and don't forget to subscribe, please, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.